Introducing the latest Smith & Wesson from
Here to tell you about the new
Umarex, the
DeSantis Slim
CO2-powered
Touch
M&P
IW.
40.
The Nemesis is one of the most popular pocket holsters in the world, and for a very good reason. It's a very good design. It's a good shape. You've got a proper pouch to hold your gun. You also have an appropriately shaped wing on the side to catch on your pocket when you're trying to pull the gun out of your pocket. The material is very tacky on the outside and yet very slippery on the inside. The material is also a good thickness. It's not so thick that it becomes extra bulky, but it is thick enough to break up the outline of the gun. Let me show you what happens if you're using a badly designed pocket holster, not the Nemesis, but one that isn't well designed. In those cases, oftentimes what happens is when you go to access your gun, because of the poor design of the holster, everything comes out of your pocket. Holster and gun attached to each other, and obviously the gun isn't functional at that point. What you want is a holster that when you reach in to grab your gun, reliably, each time and every time, only the gun comes out.
Introducing the latest Smith & Wesson from Umarex, the CO2-powered M&P 40 blowback handgun. It comes with 3 different sized back straps so you can customize the grip size to fit your hand. At 300 feet per second, you can hone your skills and practice hitting your target in the comfort of your home with a proper backstop. Its metal slide functions with each pull of the trigger, providing an air-powered simulated recoil. All the controls function just as they do on the powder burner, including an ambidextrous safety that accommodates both left and right-handers. And the slide catch engages, holding the slide back when the magazine empties. This Smith & Wesson M&P 40 has an adjustable front sight coupled with a 3-dot tactical sight system for fast target acquisition. It fits beauty holsters and has an under-muzzle tactical rail ideal for aftermarket lights and lasers. Charge the mag with a single 12-gram CO2 capsule, and like the standard firearm, load 15 quality BBs into its full-size metal magazine. Get a grip on the rubberized feel of the M&P blowback handgun from Umarex and settle in for more trigger time. Ask for the air-powered Smith & Wesson M&P blowback at your favorite retailer.
Ankle carry is a good viable option for different kinds of circumstances. It's a popular option for backup gun carry. It's also a good option if you spend a lot of time seated, because it's generally easier to reach an ankle carried gun than it is a hip carried gun if you're sitting in a chair. The DeSantis Die Hard is a particularly good example of an ankle holster. You have a nice molded leather holster attached to a thick, wide neoprene strap. Additional comfort is provided by the sheepskin on the back of the holster. And with Velcro closure, it's a very easy holster to put on your ankle. Once it's in place, you simply insert your gun, snap up the holster, roll down your pant leg, and be on your way.
Now I'm wearing a Model 6378 concealable holster equipped with a paddle. It holds the gun tight and high on the body for very good concealment, and yet I have the same exact draw that I'm used to with my duty or tactical holster. The ALS system is locking the gun in place, preventing it from coming out. To make the draw, I simply get a positive, good, solid, high grip on the gun, close my hand on the grip, and release the gun. To reholster, as soon as I do, the gun will automatically lock into place. Now the 6378 holster comes equipped with a paddle, but also included with the holster is an adjustable belt loop that is adjustable for angle as well as belt size. Because Safariland for years now has been using what we call the universal belt loop system, all Safariland holsters include a 3-hole pattern that allow every holster body to be mounted to every mounting application. That means I can take the concealable 6378 and mount it on our quick locking system, our QLS. I can mount it on our model 745BL quick release belt loop. This is also adjustable for angle and belt size. I can even mount the 6378 holster body on the tactical vest or in any other application I want. Plus, they do come in a variety of colors from black to tan and green. This is the model 6378 Safariland ALS concealable holster. The model 6378 is also available as a light-mounted holster. And just like the duty version, the 6360, this holster will accommodate the firearm with or without the light. As soon as I put the gun in the holster, it automatically locks in place. If I remove the light from the gun, it will still hold the gun in place. We can also take the model 6378, and with the use of the ALS guard, we can increase the security level. We now have the model 6378 equipped with the ALS guard for additional security. The draw is made just as it would be once we open the ALS guard.
Hey everybody, it's Christine from DeSantis Gun Hide, here to tell you about the new DeSantis Slim Tuck IWB holster. The DeSantis Slim Tuck is a new minimalist holster that's designed to be tuckable inside your waistband. But for a basic holster, it's got a lot of premium features. The design is super slim and light. Because it's a thermoplastic Kydex, it can be cut thinner than leather and still be durable. Now if you look closely, you can see the exact outline of the gun that this is made for. In this case, it's an M&P shield. The Slim Tuck is weather resistant and doesn't need any break-in time. So from the first time you use it, you get a perfect custom fit. The other super cool feature about the Slim Tuck is the unique DeSantis C-clip. This clip is adjustable up to 360 degrees. So you can wear this holster pretty much anywhere on your body. Cross draw, strong side, appendix carry. And if that's not enough, the Slim Tuck is 100% ambidextrous. You southpaws can remove this screw, switch out the clip to the opposite side, and boom, you've got a left-handed holster. So I'm wearing the Slim Tuck now. The only way you can tell I'm carrying is the C-clip on my belt. I've chosen the small of my back carry so I can show you how quickly I can reveal and draw. With an IWB holster like this, you conceal by tucking your shirt over the gun and behind the C-clip. We also offer an optional J-clip for even deeper concealment. So I'm going to lean forward slightly, clear my shirt from the clip, then draw. Super fast, super easy. So that's the skinny on the Slim Tuck IWB. Happy holstering!